Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this amazing yet tasty flourless chocolate cookies. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So let's get started. We're going to take a double boiler and we're going to melt chocolate and butter together. So here I've taken 100 grams of dark chocolate and I've taken 22 grams of butter. You can take salted, unsalted as you like, but I've taken salted butter and mix it till your chocolate melts and with the butter. Once this is done, just keep it aside and let it cool down. Now we're going to take in a mixing bowl. You can take one egg and then we are going to mix it with sugar. So I've taken brown sugar 60 grams, powdered sugar or castor sugar if you like 15 grams. And we're going to mix it really well till it becomes light in color, light and fluffy. Just the way it's turned out for me. Once that is done, I'm adding 6 grams of cocoa powder. Then I add coffee essence, but if you don't want coffee essence, you can add vanilla essence also if you want. I added 12 grams of corn flour and I gave it a nice mix with. Then I also added 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Once it's mixed really well, I've added the chocolate which we had melted before into this mixture. And I'm whisking everything at not a very high speed, all in the low speed. Once it's all mixed well, as you see, it looks really dark and chocolatey. I'm going to put it in the fridge for around 30 minutes. So I've just transferred it into another bowl and now I'm going to put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Once it's set, you'll see it's become really thick and I'm going to just put it on the baking tray and bake it for 10 minutes at 180 degrees. And see the way the cookie has turned out. It tastes really good and the texture also came out really well. Hope you like this recipe.